So I started with the acapella and I basically just downloaded the full track and exported it with an AI tool. So now let's see how I did it. So you can either purchase the full track, the original master, or you can download it with Demix, which is this application that downloads tracks from the Deezer server. It doesn't have all the tracks, but generally the most popular ones. I mean, it's really hard to not find something on here. Maybe upcoming artists, something like that. You can just not find them, but if we just go Kali Uchis Moonlight, we have all these versions. You just click here and it will be added to your queue. Once we have that, we can use an online tool like Vocal Remover. There's also La AI and many others. So just let's look at it. So Vocal Remover free. And here we have a bunch of them. So free online vocal remover, Nota, Voice AI, Lala AI, Media. So my go-to at the moment is a vocal remover. So I'm just going for the vocal removing.
I just wanna get higher with my lover. Veo una muñeca cuando miro en el espejo, kiss.
And once you've done, you just go to save and you have music, vocal and music plus vocal, but music plus vocal doesn't make sense unless you mix them, but it doesn't make sense. So we just take the vocal. We can also take the music for alignment purposes if you want to sample something, but that's it.